how to create new Facebook account. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create new Facebook account on your Android. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get more informative videos every day. So guys, to get the Facebook application you just need to go to Play Store here, Play Store or App Store, and then here you just need to click search for Facebook. So here you can see this is the application, so you can download this from your App Store or Play Store. As I have already downloaded, let me just get inside this, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So guys, simply click on this create new Facebook account. So just click on create new Facebook account and click on next option.
What's
Now,
your name?
so they are asking for a
Enter the
name.
name you use.
So here what you have to do, simply click first name, like let me just go for random tag and click on next option. Now you have to select your
What's your
birthday.
date of birth?
Now you have to search for birthday, so let me just go for my birthday. Let me just go for my birthday here. Okay, this is my birthday, and you have to select.
What's your gender?
Now you have to select for your gender. If you are a girl you have to go for female, if you are a boy you have to go for a male. So after this I'm a male, and let me just click on next option here, and here you can see mobile number. So you have to enter your mobile number, so let me just enter my mobile number. Now you have to click on next option here. So here you can see choose a
Choose a
password.
password.
So what you have to do, you have to select a password here. So let me just select some password here. So after selecting a password you have to click on next, and then here you will find this type of interface. So if you want to add your Gmail you can add it, or if you don't want to just click on skip option. So it's better to add a Gmail, but for now I am not going to add any Gmail here. So let me just skip this option and then click on
To
sign
finish,
up option. So after clicking to the sign up option here, you can see here it
what's
looks
your
like.
name?
So let me just change my name here, and then now guys you can see here. So now you have, if you want to save your password you can save your password. If you don't want, so you can, you don't need to save the password. Let me just click this and click on OK option. Here you can see you can choose a photo, so let me just go skip for now, and then let me just skip for now. You can see here it's done. Press on OK and my Facebook account has been created. So guys, in this way you can create a Facebook account on your Android. It's a new beginner guide. I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.